Welcome to the Explainer. So have you ever caught yourself wishing you could literally just clone yourself? Imagine building an entire, fully functioning AI workforce. We're talking assistants, data analysts, customer support reps, without writing a single line of code. I mean, it completely sounds like science fiction, right? But here in 2026, it's absolutely our reality. Today, we're unpacking the absolute best no-code platforms that are making this possible right now. Okay, let's dive into this.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the AI automation shift. Then, we'll check out Lindy, the chat assistant, followed by Zapier and Make, the workflow kings. After that, we'll explore Relevance AI for true autonomy, and finally, wrap up with how to choose the exact right AI agent for you.
Let's jump right into Section 1, the AI automation shift. We're talking about moving from experimental to mission critical.
You know, the landscape today is vastly different from even a few years ago. AI agents aren't just neat little toys to play around with anymore. They're genuinely mission-critical tools. So, let me ask you a direct question. Want an AI employee? Up until really recently, if you wanted a sophisticated multi-step AI worker, you kind of had to know Python, maybe some JavaScript, and have this really deep understanding of APIs. That technical barrier was just a massive pain point. But now? Well, no-code platforms have entirely solved this. They've essentially opened the floodgates for anyone, and I mean anyone, to hire a digital worker.
And this brilliantly illustrates the core shift we're seeing right now. We aren't just doing that basic linear automation anymore. Now we're building what are called reasoning agents. These are AI systems that use actual judgment. They maintain a persistent memory across interactions, meaning, they actually remember what you talked about yesterday, and they autonomously execute complex tasks. They adapt on the fly, rather than just blindly following rigid fixed rules. It's an absolute game changer.
Which brings us nicely to Section 2, Lindy, the chat assistant. This is really the ultimate low-barrier entry point.
I want you to think of Lindy as a highly capable executive assistant that you can build simply by having a normal conversation. 5. That is literally the number of minutes it takes to hire and set up a digital assistant on Lindy. There's no building complex flows, you just talk to it. You literally just describe the job description and the platform figures out the logic behind the scenes. Because the whole thing is completely chat-based, the learning curve is basically zero. That makes it an absolute powerhouse, especially if you're a solopreneur.
Looking at its core features, what really stands out to me is Lindy's native app ecosystem. Unlike a lot of other tools out there, Lindy actually has a built-in CRM, a calendar, and an email client right out of the box. So it gets straight to work without you having to wrestle with complicated third-party connectors. You can even set up multi-agent collaboration. Just imagine this, a sales team where one Lindy agent scours the web for fresh leads, and a completely different Lindy agent takes those leads and automatically drafts personalized emails to them. Add in the fact that it operates seamlessly across voice, SMS, and email, and you've got the perfect system for automating highly human tasks, like scheduling and vetting leads. Because let's be totally honest, nobody actually enjoys doing that manually.
Moving up the spectrum a bit, we arrive at Section 3, Zapier and Make, workflow kings. These are the real powerhouses for structured automation.
Now, if your business workflows rely heavily on stringing together a bunch of multiple niche apps, these are the heavy lifters you're going to need. 8,000 plus. That is the massive number of app integrations Zapier brings to the table right now. Zapier has really evolved into this incredible AI orchestration platform, and its new Zapier Central feature basically acts as a massive switchboard. If your data lives in highly specific, super niche SaaS tools, say a local government database or maybe some obscure dental software, Zapier is almost certainly the only tool out there that has the connector ready to go.
Zapier Central literally turns those thousands of external apps into tools that an AI can just use autonomously. It's crazy. You can actually train it by example, just sort of showing it how you perform a task. Plus, it has live data access. This means it can sit there and watch a Slack channel or a Google Sheet and spring into action the absolute second a condition is met, all while keeping that persistent memory we talked about earlier. But I do have to give you a quick warning here. Zapier's task-based billing model, it can get really expensive really fast. The professional plan starts around $20 for just 750 tasks, and heavy users have actually reported their costs exceeding $3,000 a month.
So contrast that $3,000 with this number, $10.59. That is the highly affordable monthly entry price for Make, which you might remember as Integromat, and that tiny price tag actually gets you a massive 10,000 credits.
For high-throughput automation, Make easily takes the crown for the absolute best overall value right now.
Now, what's really interesting about this comparison is the stark difference in design philosophies. Zapier uses a very linear step list. It's undeniably the absolute fastest setup for non-technical teams who are just doing simple SaaS automation. Make, on the other hand, gives you this incredible drag-and-drop visual canvas. You essentially become a workflow architect. You're building complex branching, merging, and looping data paths right there in a flowchart interface. Sure, it requires a slightly higher learning curve, but it makes those big multi-step automations incredibly legible and, as we saw, way more cost-effective at scale.
But here's where we reach a pretty critical turning point. We really need to distinguish between automation and true agents. You see, both Zapier and Make ultimately treat AI as a tool within a traditional workflow automation. They still heavily rely on fixed rules. They're basically operating on a preset track. And that means they will eventually hit a wall when tasks get genuinely unpredictable and require real autonomous judgment. True agents, however, are multi-agent systems. They have independent goals, actual reasoning capabilities, and the crucial ability to pivot on the fly.
And that brings us straight into Section 4, Relevance AI, True Autonomy. This is the powerhouse for multi-agent reasoning.
If you're looking for that multi-agent reasoning powerhouse, well, this is your independent factory. Relevance AI is AI first by design. It's built entirely from the ground up on the premise that agents should reason and adapt rather than just sitting there waiting for fixed rules to trigger. Let's really look closely at these capabilities, because Relevance AI is truly built for complexity. First off, it features multi-agent orchestration, which means your agents can actually collaborate and share data with each other. It also has a built-in vector database. This gives the agents persistent memory so they can answer highly domain-specific questions. Its knowledge retrieval system easily handles massive PDF libraries and chunky internal wikis. Get this, you can even run an agent against 10,000 rows of data simultaneously for bulk processing. Imagine having it analyze 10,000 customer reviews for sentiment all at once. And absolutely crucially, it features a human-in-the-loop checkpoint. The AI will pause and wait for a real human to click approve before it does something major, like moving a budget or sending out a sensitive email. It's just perfectly custom-built for those variable, heavily reasoning-dependent tasks.
So let's move to Section 5, Choosing Your AI Agent, and see how this builds into finding the perfect match for your specific business needs.
Now that we've wrapped our heads around the major platforms, how do you actually match the right tool to your specific situation? We've synthesized the whole landscape into a quick cheat sheet for you. You honestly might want to snap a quick picture of this. For pure ease of use, Zapier easily gets 5 stars. Now, for workflow complexity, Make takes the lead thanks to that awesome visual canvas. But for pure AI autonomy, Relevance AI is the undisputed 5-star winner. At the end of the day, your choice really just depends on whether you're a beginner getting your feet wet, an ops manager needing advanced workflows, or part of a data team demanding fully autonomous agents.
So the crucial point is, if your workflow relies on 10 different niche apps, choose Zapier. That's the real decision tree here. If you just need an easy chat assistant, like you want to hire a digital worker in 5 minutes just by talking to it, choose Lindy. If you absolutely need the fastest setup possible across tons of apps, again, it's Zapier. What if you're building heavily structured workflows and you really want that visual power combined with cost efficiency? Then choose Make. And finally, if your use case demands that agents truly think, reason, and scale massive data tasks completely autonomously, you've got to choose Relevance AI.
This shift to no-code AI platforms means the technical barriers that used to hold us back, they are completely gone. The tools are here, they are incredibly powerful, and they are ready to go to work for you right now. So my final question to you is this. As your competitors inevitably begin cloning their top performers digitally, which AI worker are you going to hire today? Thanks so much for tuning into The Explainer, and hey, happy building!